Hello friends, myself Amar. Now in the previous video I have discussed about material app, scaffold, app bar and material widget. Okay. Now here you can see I have written all the code inside the run app method. Okay. If you are using more and more widget, then obviously the number of codes which we are writing inside the run app method will increase. And it is never a good programming practice to write all the code inside the run app method. Okay, to solve this, what I will do, I will create a class here. Class, let me give the class name as my app. This class will extend a widget which is called as the StatelessWidget. Okay, now once I extend the StatelessWidget, let me tell you that in Flutter there are two kinds of widget. One is called as the StatelessWidget, another one is called as the StatefulWidget. Now StatelessWidget means, as the name is suggesting, it will not hold the state of the widget, and StatefulWidget means it will hold the state of the widget. Now I will discuss more about StatefulWidget as I will proceed in my video. Okay, now here once I extend this class, then it is generating an error, and to solve this error, what I will do, I will press here Alt Enter, and once I press Alt Enter, it is guiding me to override one method. Let me override, and here it is overriding the build method. Okay, now whenever this class will be executed or whenever this class will be called, it will automatically call the build method, and whatever you have written inside the build method, that will be returned. And you can see the return type of the build method is a widget. This means whenever the build method will be called, it will return a widget. Okay, now what I will do, the code which I have written inside the run app method, this means this material app, I will simply cut it and I will return it from here. Okay, and inside this run app method, what I will do, I will inflate, or I will call the my app class. Okay, now if you run this, you will get the same output which has been displayed here, that is this one. Okay, but the code which we have written inside the run app method, now I have written inside the my app class. Okay, now let me tell you one more thing, that if a function contains only one statement, as you can see here, the main function contains only one statement, run app, then there is no need to give curly braces here. What I will do, here I will use the dot syntax which is called as the fat arrow. Once you use this fat arrow, then there is no need to give that curly braces. Okay, now this is how we can write or we can move our code to the StatelessWidget class. Okay, I hope you have liked my video. If you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.